Hey everyone, back at you with the 4Runner drop-down table on to the Dirtcom Trail swing. They got me my brackets, so I'm ready to go.
Okay, so I did a more in-depth unboxing in the Dirtcom Trail swing video, as I purchased this as a package with that whole thing. It's not a difficult install overall, it's just time consuming, and it's about getting all the right hardware in place loosely so that you can mount it easily, kind of move it around, shift it into right where it needs to be, level it out, and then you go ahead and really tighten it down. I do want to add that you don't see me do it in this video, but there is one more bolt that goes in the dead center and mounts directly to the trail swing. It's crucial in stabilizing and giving an overall rigidity to it. Anyway, I put that on about a day later when I realized I had missed it. Overall, this was a really easy install, just took a little bit. This is such a great piece of equipment that is really going to take your overlanding gear to that next level. It just provides such a nice place to put a camp stove, put any sort of gear prep. The additional side table or cutting board is just awesome to be able to use. It really doesn't rattle at all back there. Yeah, I'm super excited about it.
Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. Well, these might be able to be tightened a little bit. I don't know what those are. Anyway, this is awesome. I mean, how convenient is that? Throw your stove on there, cutting board, cooking up some dinner. What's up? Front runner, baby. That's what's up. Front runner, Dirtcom Trail swing. That's it. I mean, what more could you want?